Here I have the Illumination circuit for the 3D printed microscope. I've removed the microscope itself to make the circuit easier to see. Here we have a switch that will turn the light on and off, a potentiometer to control the brightness of the light, and the screw terminal to connect the battery. Note that the positive line of the battery is connected to the black side of the screw terminal, and the black side of the screw terminal is connected to the black side of the LED. Because polarity matters for LEDs, we want to make sure that everything's wired correctly. Also, make sure that where the pieces of the circuit connect, the tape is pushed down between the studs. If the tape is not pushed down between the studs, the circuit components will not snap to the board. If your circuit isn't working after being connected, double check all the places where the tape overlaps. Usually, there's a bad connection there, and if you press down on it with your thumbnail or a screwdriver, that will correct the error.